Understand. Ama-specs wami leyo. Ama-specs wami lawo. Hey, nyedele. Hey. Uzokubulala wena sana. Nyedeni man. Yangijwayela wena.
Girl. What it is, everybody? What's good? I'm the real Nizi Nazmik, the MC with the Hennessy Scheme heist La Lela, bringing to you the freshest, the latest, and definitely the happenings of Cheetahs Busted on CMTV SA. Now, this is where is at. This is Katlehong, and we are about to bust the cheaters. It's going down, and Zizo Kalazo Shiwazo Tetema, Zizo Wago Speaker. You can definitely catch us on all social media platforms: Facebook, X, YouTube, and of course your TikTok, because it is what it is. Before it was what it was. Dunker's the place to be. Yes, sir. Danko. Carrots. We ready to meet Tabang? Let's do this. Hi. How are you, Tabang? I'm good. What's happening?
All is good.
All is well.
Yeah.
My name is Nizi,
Busy?
and I am from CMTV. You called us today.
Ne ke le founela man ne ke batla ho utlwa ka amahle matsatsi a ke sa bona rena ho etsalang ka yena.
Yeah.
So college ha ke re ke a sheba ke bona hore wa stress mosebetsi ya hae ha e bona le
Yeah.
so hona je ke tseba le college so
Yeah.
ke batlana le yena ke a mfounela ha ke tsebe na ho etsala jwang ne kopa lona le nthusa.
Okay, we're not mofeleditse ning.
Ke qetetse maobane mantsibu a go ya ko res.
Okay. So lutlwane ho tloella kae?
Nna ke tseba ntsa ya res because o behind ka mosebetsi ya hae so ne ke itjwetsa hore maybe o busy ka yona ha ke thola report sa hae ke a bona hore no standard se ehlile so ha ke tsebe na ho etsala jwang ke bona bo mabare ba mmona kae mo kasi
So ha se wena o tshepo hore kwena mhlomong o drop isang di grade tsa hae?
ha ke tsebe bane nna ke a sebetsa ke a zama hore dintho di tsamaye hantle so ha
Yeah.
ke tsebe na ho etsala jwang.
And school fees o patala ke mang kwena?
O patalwa ke nna ntho engwe le engwe ke na rekang hore a hlale a le right wa bona.
Okay. And then wena le amahle le kopane kae?
Re tane party ya ngwana yeso so hae ra utlwana ka puo
Yeah.
re qenne se bile re dula kaofela bona.
Oh, is it? Okay, and then le nna le ngwana together.
Ha rena ngwana
A le na ngwana?
ne sa plan hore a qete ka sekolo pele.
Okay. And then Thabang ho tloella ning he o qala ho bona hore o ka re ha o sa tsamaya hantle?
Matsatsing wa bona ona le motho wa hao o na le ho bona mana hore wa mothesa o ba lo ba jumpy or neng ha le re le babedi kae o sa qena ka bitsa mabitso o sa utlwisising.
Yeah.
Ka qala ka suspect le nna gore no man ka rona le ntho tse sa tsamayang hantle.
And then founung ya hae o kile wa kena founung ya hae wa e checka mhlomong?
Phone ya hae ha e tshwarwe ha e dula le tsong la hae ha e vibrate ke yena so ke itse maybe ke ntho tsa sekolo di lecture ha ke tsebe na ho etsala jwang bane ha ka ruti ya hakalo so ke a di tlohella.
Okay, Thabang, so ha o nahanela motho wa hao mhlomong ya ka o re wa mo nahanela, o mo nahanela hore mhlomong a ka utlwana le batho ba ko sekolong, batho ba ko rese, hoba e ka ba somebody o leng around?
Ke nana ke since a qeta nako e ngata le rese maybe ke batho ba rese hore ke batho ba kaze ha ke tsebe ha ke tsebe.
And then ke eng ntho e leng hore e ne ile ka mo relationshiping ya lona?
Communication since re shapuwa communication obane ke motho o sa rateng communicator ke moholo yena o monyane so ke nana maybe it's a age gap or something.
O batlang baneng ba banyane Thabang?
Ke yena
O batlang baneng ba banyane?
botle ba hae wa bona.
Ke botle fela?
O motle yena o motle le kelello na le yona ba no college difference.
So o no sa molatelle hobane o motle? O no mo latella for eng hape?
Ntho tse ngata o isa
Ke ngwana Thabang man.
ntho tse ngata.
Okay, and then ke eng dilo tse ileng hore di o kgatla ka yena mhlomong?
Ke motho ena le tjhabelo pele ntho tse ngata ene ke a bona hore ke ha ke ha lelapa nka la hantle le yena.
Okay. Ke a utlwa Thabo.
ha se ha mathemati nthong tse sa tse senang kelello like ke motho o batlang ho dula pele a shebe dintho then a ke interact.
Alright, ha ona bothata he Thabang, re tlo tsamaya. Bus ya rona se ile ready, so re tlo tsamaya re lo mo sheba.
Ee,
O
hai.
ikutlwa jwang?
Ke never so bana ke batla ho botsa motho ena na ene ke utlwa hore e ka re ka se be le ntho e mpe e etsahalang ho bona mpe be ke di-assumptions tsa ka fela man ha e ka ba o na le ntho e mpe e nka bolang motho nso wa rona.
And then ha o ka fihla wa kreya hore ho na le moferefere. Ho na le moferefere o etsahalang.
e tla ba story se seng sister e tla ba
O tjhotse?
seng ha e tlo ba story se seng serious
Thaba,
ke spendile tjhelete e ngata
a re gate ko se.
e tla ba story se seng.
A re tsamaye pa. Thank you, Bongs. We are going to be calling motho wa gago ne,
Okay.
and then re motse hore o mo kae, and then you'll talk to her. I hope she picks up.
Eish. Hello ase. Ukuphi khanti izolo ubungekho and ukuphi? Bengibheke ukuthi uzofika ekseni. Usase? Oh, okay. Hayi no ngizokubona makufika nje. Mawuphuma esontweni yakuphi khanti? Awuzi kimi endlini. Ke batho mama o dula ona le mabaka a se mahle khanti kuhambani?
No, that's not true. I'll try.
Hayi mane wa tse ke a belaela ona ntho tse ding tse sa tsamaeng right he. Serious ona ntho tse sa biko hobane o dula o le di go di brain nenne ke o ke msebetsi ya sekela ke o ya dropa khanti o etsala jwang? Explain.
No, I see them. I have to work. Like, what do you mean by that?
No, because manje izola azange engitshelanga lutho and manje ngiworried yazi na understand ukuthi kuhambani because ukusuka eGoli ukuzalana it's another story so I don't know what to think. Ngihlala nawe and I understand ukuthi kuhambani mase ungangitsheli anything.
No, uzongibona. I'll come. I told you. Manje sesefika, yes.
Okay, all right. Ngizobona ngawe ke because ngimele angazi mawuqeda ke usozongitshela ukuthi kuhambani because kunini ngifunana nawe.
Okay, come.
Right.
Yeah. Sesifile. You've arrived. How do you feel?
I don't know how to feel. She's probably always on the phone and I don't know. Maybe she's telling the truth. I don't know.
I'm Tolile. Are you ready?
Ukhona bamtholile.
Sir.
Hey. Asemahle. Sesontweni la. Sesontweni la ubani lo?
Let me explain.
Ubani lo?
Sanibona?
Let me explain.
Unjani?
Umfundisi wena uthemba.
What's happening?
Umfundisi.
Wait, man, wait. What's happening?
Let me explain. Oh, I'll explain.
Hello, Mama.
Hi, so
How are you?
ngiyaphila.
Uthe sesontweni sicela ukufona manje.
Amakhamera afunani?
Sesontweni la. Asemahle. Sesontweni la.
Isho ngiyakuzwa ma uyangibona nawe ngikho sesontweni ke.
Utam?
Hey, yo.
All right.
Who's this nigga who just came and attacked my girlfriend like this?
What
Your
do you mean
girlfriend-
attack your girlfriend?
Your girlfriend.
Oh, sorry.
I see.
What do you mean? Is this your girlfriend?
Like you can see now.
Asemahle. Unengqondo.
Asemahle.
Yasebenza ingqondo yakho.
So you're a girlfriend to two people. How do you feel?
Ish.
After hayi
Wait.
How do you feel? You're a girlfriend to two
awufundisi
people.
wena.
No,
You said you're at school to your man.
Uthe
Said you had
i-girlfriend
prayer
yakhe
session
yazi
ibili.
yangihlanyisa
yeah, but
awuthiyam
this person ngifunda naye.
So are you dating him or ufunda naye kuphela?
Ish. So,
asemahle isesontweni
So-
la yini
So what do you have to say for yourself? I mean, you've been busted. So niyafunda khona manje nenzani like isonto leli.
You know this guy. Okay, wait. You know this guy.
down. Ish, asikho sesontweni fine, but ungifumene it's fine. So yeah, we are dating.
yini e-right wena ama
So what's
Eh,
fine?
wena,
What's fine?
Siyajola no guy.
Okay. Nitsho isikhathi singakanani no guy?
Ngizokubulala le bari le
It's been 2 months sijola.
Okay, and then why ungatshelanga umuntu wakho ukuthi awusamfuni?
Ukuthi imali yakhe yazi. Ngijola naye because unemali ngokuya ngaye nje ngaba
ufunani kule bari le
And then lona yena utshola naye because unani yena?
ngoba ngiyamthanda.
Umthanda for 2 months.
asemahle imali yami iphelela la
Umthanda for 2 months. Utam,
imali yami iphelela awuyesiyela
No, no, I'm still shocked right now.
ushokwa yini?
I thought like I'm the one on this guy.
Bongazi ukuthi udla amahlanza omunye umuntu.
No, like.
asemahle ingqondo yakho yasebenza yini le awuthi le bari le
Mara okay, honestly,
mina nyenza yonke into uzongijwayeza ngale bari le
on a serious note, okay, sibeke kahle.
You've been saying sorry.
Hey, this guy.
There's no need to.
Uyakuthuza.
Hey, young too. Sir.
Ukuthuza ini? Because when you are fucking his woman. Woman,
What is this?
Okay,
are you fucking 2 people at the same time?
we haven't slept. Mina naye.
So 2 months.
yo,
So now, so 2 months and you haven't slept with her. What are you doing in these 2 months?
Like we're just having fun together.
What is fun?
Out, go out,
Yo.
and just to have peace together, chilling out. Yeah, that's what we do. I didn't know like she's having the other guy.
Is it?
Yes.
Asemahle, what do you have to say for yourself? You look confused. You look confused because you.
uzomele
are
abe
busted.
confused unekhaya le bari wena
Sengena indaba
uzokubulala
senuke
wena
manje.
sani uzokubulala wena sani
Angazi why
masambe asemahle
I
masambe
hope in the medical aid because I'm injured because of your bufebe.
No.
uzokuyenzela.
masambe
But
wena
now, what
masambe
does-
masambe wekhaya
What does this guy have to do? Okay, so I'm asking you. What does this have to do? This person.
Mina naye sizo continue if usafuna wena.
hey madoda
You're gonna damn him, right?
Oh, baby, kwabo. Oh, so nize dating nini?
awudle ekhaya wena awudle ekhaya
So nize dating.
usowula imali zami lezi imali zami lezi
So when nize dating.
ngizokukhathela nina niyi
Taba,
2
why do
years
you say imali zakho? What if imali zakho?
uyithatha kuphi imali le bari le sebenza mina kule relationship le
Okay, baby, you dating me now, cheating me because I don't have money. Is that
No,
because I don't have
you
money?
don't understand. I dated him first. They were
asemahle
Okay, who took who on a date here? Because the food was very delicious. It looks very nice. So who took who on a date? You.
uzokubulala imali yami ndoda le udle imali yami
So you girl took the guy out. Okay. And then after taking him out, what was going to happen? Benyabe.
no.
Utam uyikwala, why ngathi uyikwala?
No, it's this.
Beka manje sishawa ngenxa yakho.
Sorry.
Mina understand ulelayo.
Okay, Mina, what I don't understand is you're so calm.
Asila ngithi siyakhuluma.
asemahle
Okay, so simyenzani ke?
asemahle
Tabang, how do you feel about this whole situation?
yazi sisi wami yo lo mntwana lo ngijwayeza ngamabaka yazi
Yeah.
kumele besesiyela nangu la yo asemahle ngenqondo sifuna ukaka ikhaya mina nawe and then indlela lo mbonga ngayo le
Noma sowucabanga ungaze ukhikhaya nengane encane esafundayo.
Wena, why?
ufundani ufunda amadoda
Ma uyazi ukuthi
ufunda amadoda
ngisesikolweni bome expect ukuthi
Usesitela la? Usesitela la?
abalingana nami.
uzongijwayeza
Jiki
ngebhaka
botha uyeres.
Yeah.
Kanti rest indoda.
yo
Chomi bose sniper.
yo
Isho.
You love bite le chomi.
Nawe sisukuzibheni.
Kwenzakalani la? Uthabang ori
Yo.
umjita lo.
yo
Eh?
Umjini.
Umjita. Uyokunika lokho.
Yeah, but asikekalala senzanga next mina no guy.
So mani ngakalale ningayenzanga next yini le?
Yeah, it's possible.
Serious.
It's very possible.
For 2 months.
You're asking a lot of questions.
So, okay, Uthabang in this situation, where do you put Tabang?
No, it's fine. Singahlukana.
And then imali uzoyithola.
No, it's fine. Vele ngiyafunda yabo ngizoqedelela isikole and then I'll find a job.
So ufuna ukuyojola nentanga yakho now all of a sudden.
Yeah.
uthi ufuna le baka le
Thabang.
ufuna le baka uba mina
Thabang.
nguyenzela yonke into.
So Thabang, I want to find out from you. In this situation, she was at church, she was going back to rest. What's happening?
No, yazi manje la
And then she says
ngiyashaya.
she's going to leave you. That's what she says.
No, mafuna unyeka ku right, but
And
uzomela alethe into zami.
Ataksu.
Ngifuna into zami, ngifuna ifoni, ngifuna konke. Imali yami izongikhokhela because yimi oyenza sure ukuthi
Mama uthatha ifoni yakho mina ngizofunda ngani?
asamanje yini oyifundayo. Awungitshela manje utshela ukuthi use church manje ula. Ngibona amadoda.
Bowuzelani ke wena? Why were you here? Bowuzelani?
Awukhulumi nami, torho usefonini,
As-
kanti
as
ufuna ukuthi
chief
ngiyenzeni?
Because Tabang, I want to find out from you, my guy. Oh, okay. Sisi, are you going with your man? Or are you going with Tabang?
Le baka le-
Tabang violent.
Ewona son. Ama-specs wami leyo.
Violent.
Ama-specs wami lawo.
No,
Hey, ngiyekele. Hey,
You guys, it looks like you guys deserve each other because you are too sweet for each other.
Yeah, I understand why. Angithi ngithanda.
ama-specs uphethe nama-specs wami njalo. Inja efejwa yimi.
Uyambona unjani? Uviolent.
Ngiyayibona i-violence, but it's anger. Wena wabe ungamtsheli kahle ukuthi awusamfuni.
Ngingakaze accept.
Manje ukudla kwenu nekushiya. So you're scared of this nigga
I'm scared of him. Yes.
because when now you are cheating.
No, I'm not.
So you are not cheating.
Girlfriend.
So this is your main girlfriend.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, I know that
But this girlfriend has a main partner.
I'm not having a lot of money right now. I'm not earning much, but I'll figure something out.
Is it? You look scared. You look terrified.
This-
You're scared of this nigga.
Masambe
Chomi maru yabona usulisa amadoda.
sendlini.
Ngihambe nawe, kumele ngihambe nawe.
Chomi ulisa amadoda yabona.
Akadi, uyolwayo, waye alwa yena.
Thabang papa. Re tsa jang ha o le so he?
Hey sister angazi
Re ba siya ba le two hobane
angazi ngispende angisazi ukuthi ngizoyenza kanjani.
Yeah.
But le baka le ngizoyibulala. Angeke ngiluze yena naye uzomela aluze le baka le yakhe.
Okay.
Yeah. Why ngilwa? Uhlala nama semahle.
You know what?
Ngizoyehlala kithi la ngeke ngikubone ukuthi
But
ubaba
angeke
kanjani.
le baka lakho
Hayi,
angeke uyibone.
makasithatha, ngisasifuni.
Awusazifuni
Yeah,
at all.
at all.
Putam. Umphathe kahle ke ne?
Yes, thank
You must make sure.
Yes.
Nawe singakubhaci kanti you are cheating.
No, I'm not.
Angeke ube la ngizombulala.
Uzobulala abantu aba.
Lo
Sizokubophisa okusalayo.
sobona.
Thank you for your time ne. Enjoy your lunch.
Imali
take him with
imali
me.
yami ngifuna
He
imali
came
yami.
with me then. Taba,
Sister.
how do you feel, Mpethu?
Yes. Hayi lo mntwana lo wangu lo mntwana onyenza ibhari sister
Yeah.
yazi. Understand ukuthi uthathe imali yami aze la azohlala.
Yeah.
Afunze yonke lele lamadoda lawa sekato. So hey
And also she's going to church, she's going to a prayer session.
angazi ukuthi uthandazana nalomfana lo kuhambani angisazi sisi wami ngikhathele yazi
So you are
ngikhathela manga
frustrated, yeah.
ngikhathela manga lo mntwana lo unyenze baka too much and manje uzojwaza ngamajita lawa la ekhaya
Yeah.
ngiyasebenza mina ngiyavuka ngivukela yena
Yeah.
ukuthi athole future better angazi ke future yini le.
So what do you think now? Like how are you feeling now? Uzoyenzakalani?
No,
Are you
I'll-
leaving her?
I'll leave them be
Yeah.
because ngathi asangifuni so
So
It's okay.
uyasho vele ukuthi akasakufuni.
hayi ngizomyeka ngizothola omunye sisi.
Yeah, but are you satisfied though? We assisted you, but
No,
bekungenze.
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Bengikwatiswe ile baka le. Okay.
So, Tabang, in essence, Kena, I mean, we've assisted you. So, how are you going to move forward?
No, you know
They're
what?
having lunch
I still
now
I
and-
need to see them one more
need
time.
to.
Yeah, one more time
And-
because
but what are you going
I
to say to
understand.
them?
No, ngisafuna umbuzo ukuthi uhappy yini. Asemahle angitshele
So-
uhappy. Uhappy. Ewana son. Ewana son. Ewana son. Ewana son. Ewana son. Ewana son. Ngizokubulala wena son yezwa. Ngizokubulala wena sana. Enyekeni man. Yangijwayela wena.
Girl, you worry me, yes?
Aka-accept, maka-accept.
Ngizokubulala wena sana.
Accept.
Angeke
Imali
ungithathele
yakhe.
intombi angeke. Ngizokubulala uzobona.
Uzoyithola imali yakhe.
Uzoyisola from banwena.
Yeah,
Imali yani yebhazari?
imali NSFAS.
Imali yani?
Imali yebhasi.
Yebhazari. Okay. Ngiyaqala ukubona umjida so calm njengawe, yazi.
Ewona sana.
Ngicela nimbambeni. Ususeni usabanga.
Ufuna ukulu.
Thabanga sami.
Abona wena.
Sambe thabanga.
Yar.
Let's go.
Yo.
Right.
Hayi lokuthola lo yangihlangisa lo. Into
After
zangiyenza
everything
zona.
you've done for her,
Yo.
and this is what she does to you. Asam.
Yes. Yo.
Yeah, no, askis. I'm sorry, my guy.
Imali zami lezi zabantu. Le nto le kahle ngithola kabe. Ehlala impona mangihamba ngiye
Yeah.
eSpanini.
Ngena thabanga. Askis.
Mur.
Perfect. That's what happens when you are in K1
Yo.
and you are being busted. Uthola nabantwana abancane, and then maqeda lapho you are expecting ukuthi angeke bakuchithele. But anyways, it is what it is. Before it was what it was. I'm the real Nizi Nasmik, the MC with the Hennessy Scheme Sahas. Yabon, imjolo yabantu yenzani ukuzingena. This is what it does because wow. Anyways, asikho lapho bafethu. As I said, I'm the real Nizi Nasmik, the MC with the Hennessy Scheme Sahas, and this is Cheetahs Are Busted. Danko is this place to be.